regional fashion icon?
Exactly. And today, our adorable pre-primary kids are bringing the beauty to ramp with a special nature-themed ramp walk.
Get ready to the see little flowers blooming, tiny raindrops twinkling, and maybe even a cute little sun shining on the stage.
So let's give them a big round of applause as our tiny little stars take over the ramp with their adorable walk.
Watch our little ones walk the ramp, spreading the message of nature and sustainability.
I'm the king of the jungle. I roar louder. I am a carnivorous animal. Thank you. Hi everyone. I am a tiger. I am national animal of India. I am yellow and black stripes on my body. Thank you. Hi everyone. I am a big cucumber with my body. I like jackfruit. Thank you. Hello everyone. I am a parrot. I am a green in color. My beak is red. I like to eat guava. Thank you. Hi everyone. I am a zebra. I am a black and white stripes on my body. I am a wild animal. Thank you. Hi everyone. I am a giraffe. I am tallest animal. I have long neck. Thank you. Hi everyone. I am a peacock. I have a long neck. I am National Bird of India. I have beautiful and colorful feathers. Thank you.
What's wrong with my voice?
Baby sheep, baby sheep, baby sheep.
Hi everyone. I am a deer. I can run very fast. I can swim in water too. Thank you. Hi everyone. I am a rabbit. I am a fleshy animal. Thank you. Hi everyone. I am a eagle. I am very strong. I have big wings. I have keen eyesight. I'll fly in the high. Thank you. We are wild animals. We welcome to jungle enjoy dance. Thank you.
Now our students are ready to perform the jungle dance. Give them a huge round of applause.
Quack, quack. Hee-haw. Moo, moo. Let's go. A duck on the farm says quack, quack, quack.
A donkey on the farm says,
Hee-haw. A cow on the farm says moo, moo, moo. Quack. Hee-haw. Moo. Hiss, hiss. Squawk, squawk.
Our students are ready to give a grand welcome to our honorable guest, Tumbur Dayakar Reddy sir, with a disciplined march.
It's dark in here. The land where civilization forgot. It's the underground. Welcome to the jungle.